we've got to find all possible values of a for which the determinant of a has the same value as it has when a is equal to 2. So we're going to need to find the determinant of this matrix. There's a lot of calculations needed in this question, so definitely take the easiest path that you can. Actually, I gotta say, when I did it, I just went straight into it and expanded the determinant about the first row. But in fact, because there's a 0 here, it's going to be better to expand it about the first column. If you don't see that, it's not the end of the world. It'll just speed things up. We've only got 2 terms to find. So we're going to expand it. So we're going to get a, and then it's going to be just positive. You might remember that it's positive, negative, positive. It just keeps changing. Or you might learn that it's -1 to the power of the row plus the column. So it's just 1 here. Then cross out the row and the column that a are in, and we take the determinant of the rest of it. So a4 minus 13, a minus 1. For the next one, I'm going to be minusing because I'm in the second row, first column. So it's -1 to the 3, which is -1. So it's minus a plus 9, and then cross this out. Got -6, a minus 3, minus 13, and a minus 1. Actually, that's it, because the next one would be 0 times something. I'm just going to get 0. Brilliant. Right, so I'm going to get a times a minus 1, minus 4 times 13, which is plus 52, minus a plus 9, minus 6 times a minus 1, minus 13, so I can become plus 13 times a minus 3. I could either expand this inside the bracket and then times it by a, or I could do it all in one go. I think I'm going to do it all in one go. So a squared times a minus 1, I'll deal with that in a minute, plus 52a minus, I think for this one, I'll deal with inside the bracket first. So minus 6a plus 6 plus 13a minus 39, a cubed minus a squared plus 52a. Then I've got 7a minus 33 here. Just sort this one out. So I'm going to get 7a squared minus 33a plus 63a minus 33 times 9. So I think that's 297. I'm just going to check. Okay. And then I'll bring these together to give me a plus 30a. I'm going to get a cubed minus a squared plus 52a minus 7a squared minus 30a plus 297. I get minus 8a squared. I get plus 22a plus 297. Phew, okay. Right, now I'm interested in the value when a is 2. 8 minus 32 plus 44 plus 297. That's going to become 317. So now we need to find the other values of a that would give that. Solve a cubed minus 8a squared plus 22a plus 297 equals 317 to find other values of a. Well, I can minus 317. It'll give me minus 20. And remember, we know that a equals 2 is a solution to this. Therefore, using the factor theorem, if we put in 2, we'd get 0. So we know a minus 2 is a factor. Okay, so I'm going to do some polynomial division. So I get a squared, multiply back through, subtract, minus 6a squared plus 22a gives me minus 6a. Subtract 10a minus 20, we get plus 10. So I need to solve that equal to 0 now. Maybe use the quadratic formula. I'm going to complete the square. Doesn't take too long. So a minus 3 all squared minus 9 plus 10. So that'll give me plus 1 equals 0. A minus 3 squared is going to equal minus 1. Take the square root. A minus 3 is going to be plus or minus the square root of minus 1. We're going to get an I there. And finally, a is going to equal 3 minus I, or a is going to be 3 plus I. Those are our two. I mean, I know they're complex, but that's absolutely fine. They will necessarily also give the same determinant as when we put in a equals 2. Ooh, well done.